Stonemasonry is one of the oldest trades, creating timeless pieces like stone walls, churches, monuments, and heritage buildings dating back hundreds of years. Masons work with traditional tools like hammers and mallets on natural materials like limestone, granite, and natural New Zealand stone, and may also work with digital design and computer-driven cutting machinery. If you're interested in making pieces of art, Monumental Masonry allows you to create decorative art forms from stone. A lot of the work has emotional significance, creating headstones, statues, and monuments. It is particularly appealing for people looking at second careers. Stonemasonry is the art of creating architectural and decorative features for structures such as walls, entranceways, and fireplace hearths. There is a large demand for stonemasons in central Otago on high-end builds and work on historically significant sites such as churches and old stone fences. If you've already been working in the trade for some time, or if you've been trained and worked professionally overseas, BCITO offers excellent opportunities to recognise your skills and get qualified. It pays to have good hand-eye coordination and a love for detail alongside maths and English skills. The work is particularly satisfying for people who enjoy working with their hands, taking the time to shape stone into beautiful and seamless designs. Stonemasonry is a specialist trade that can take you around the world.